You've been hearing all the buzz. Maybe you've even tested out ChatGPT for fun or sat through a vendor pitch promising the future of legal work. But when it comes to artificial intelligence in your law firm, it's hard to know what's fact, what's fiction, and what's worth your time. So, let's clear the air. AI tools are getting better and more accessible every day, but they're not here to replace lawyers. They're here to help if you know what they can actually do. So, let's unpack a few of the biggest legal AI myths I hear and talk about where it really fits into your practice. AI myth number 1. AI will replace lawyers. Nope, not even close. AI tools like Microsoft's Copilot or ChatGPT can generate content quickly, but they don't understand context, nuance, or the law. They don't apply judgment, they don't know your client, and they definitely don't go to court. But they can speed up the busy work that eats up your day. So what can it do? AI can draft a first pass at a contract clause or client letter, summarize deposition transcripts or meeting notes, and offer ideas for how to phrase a tricky paragraph. You're still the one in charge. AI just helps get you to a solid starting point faster. AI myth number 2. AI is too risky for legal work. Used the wrong way, absolutely, there are real concerns. AI can generate inaccurate information, called hallucinating, and using public tools with sensitive data is a no-go. But most of those risks can be managed with a little common sense and the right tools. So what can it do safely? Draft internal templates, help summarize long documents, and assist with time entries or case notes, which you should still review, of course. Stick to platforms you trust, especially tools already built into your Microsoft 365 environment, and you're on much safer ground than pasting client info into random websites. AI myth number 3. You need to be a tech expert to use AI. Definitely not. If you can use Word or Outlook, you can use AI. Microsoft's Copilot is built into the tools you're already using. You don't need to learn a new system. Just type in what you want, something like summarize this email thread or rewrite this to sound more professional. It's that easy. You don't have to become a tech guru. Just be open to trying it out. AI myth number 4. Using AI could get me in trouble with the bar. This is a fair concern, but using AI doesn't mean you're violating your professional duties as long as you use it responsibly. The ABA and several state bars have issued guidance which often sums down to supervise the output, protect client confidentiality, and use your judgment. Sound familiar? That's the same standard you apply to staff or contractors. So, what AI tools are lawyers actually using right now? Tools like Microsoft Copilot, Grammarly, or Briefcatch, Otter AI or Fathom, and legal DMS platforms are already transforming legal practices. Start with something low stakes, like rewriting a draft or summarizing an internal meeting, and grow from there.